So, today we're going to learn about the quadratic and other expressions. So, this diagram shows a rectangle of length x plus 3 centimeters and width x plus 5 centimeters that has been divided into smaller rectangles. The area of the whole rectangle is equal to the sum of the smaller areas. So, the area of the whole rectangle is x plus 3 times x plus 5. And the sum of the smaller rectangle areas are x squared plus 3x plus 5x plus 15, which is x squared plus 8x plus 15. This means that x plus 3 times x plus 5 equals x squared plus 8x plus 15. And this is true for all values of x. Notice that the four terms in boxes are exactly the same as the four smaller areas that we calculated before. Another way to show this calculation is to use a grid. You will notice that this is almost the same as the areas method above, but it can also be used when the constants are negative. As you will see in the worked example shortly. When you remove the brackets and rewrite the algebraic expression, you are expanding or multiplying out the brackets. The resulting algebraic expression contains an x squared term, an x term, and a constant term. This is called a quadratic expression. The following worked example shows the two methods and a third method for expanding pairs of brackets. You should try each method when working through the next exercise and decide which you find easiest, though you will begin to notice that they are all, in fact, the same. Work example 11. Expand and simplify these. So, in this version of the method, you will notice that the arrows have not been included, and the multiplication arcs have been arranged so that they are symmetrical and easier to remember. So this is just a grid method with a negative value. A third method that you can remember using the mnemonic FOIL, which stands for first, outside, inside, and left. This means that you multiply the first term by each bracket together, and then the outside pair together, which are the first term and the last term. The inside pair together, which are the second term and third term, and the last pair together, which is the second term in each bracket. The product of more than two sets of brackets. You can multiply in steps to expand 3 or more sets of brackets. Your answer might contain terms with powers of 3 or cubic expressions. Work example 12. Expand and simplify this. So you just expand the first two brackets and then collect like terms, and then multiply each term in the first bracket by each term in the second, and then you collect like terms to simplify. So the answer is 6x cubed plus x squared minus 5x minus 2. Expand exercise 10.8. Question 1. Expand and simplify each of the following. So the answers are x squared plus 4x plus 3, x squared plus 10x plus 24, x squared plus 19x plus 90, x squared minus 3x minus, no, this is a different, x squared plus 15x plus 36, x squared plus 2x plus 1, x squared plus 20x plus, x squared plus 9x plus 20, x squared minus 3x minus 28, x squared minus x squared plus 5x minus 24. X squared minus 1. X squared minus x minus 72. X squared minus 13x plus 42. X squared minus 9x minus 52. Y squared minus 11y minus 42. Z squared minus 64. T squared plus 13t. T squared plus 13t minus 68. H squared minus 6h plus 9. G squared plus 3.5g minus 2. And finally, d squared plus 3/4 of d minus 9/8. Question 2. Find the following product. So, the answer to these are 12 minus 7x plus x squared. 3 plus 7x minus 6x squared. 6m squared minus 17m plus 7. Negative 8x squared plus 2x plus 3. 8a squared minus 2b squared. Negative 8m squared minus 2mn plus 3n squared. This is just x squared plus 3/4 x plus 1/8 plus 3/8. 2x squared minus 2/3 x minus 1/6. Negative 2x to the power of 4 plus 6x squared y minus 4y squared. Negative 36b squared minus 26b plus 42. 2x squared minus 2/3 x minus 1/6. 2x. Wait. Yeah. So that K is next, and then it is negative what is it again? I don't know. X to the power of 4 plus I forgot. Plus 2xy squared minus 4x squared y plus 2y squared. And this is 6x minus 6x squared plus 9x minus 15. Yay! Question 3. Expand and simplify each of the following. Again. Exactly like question 1 and question 4. So, this is 2x squared plus 9x plus 9. This is 3y squared plus 10x plus 10y plus 7. This is 7z squared plus 15z plus 2. This is 4z squared plus 17t minus 15. This is 2w squared minus 23w plus 56. This is 16z squared minus 1. This is 72x squared plus 23x minus 4. This is 360c squared minus 134c plus 12. And finally, this is 2m squared plus 10m minus 12. Question 4. Expand and simplify each of the following. So this is just 6x cubed plus 9x squared plus 2x plus 3. 15x to the power of 4 minus 18x squared plus 3. 6 6x cubed. 6x cubed plus 9x squared y minus 2xy minus 3y squared. Question 5. Expand and simplify. Ooh, this is getting a lot harder now. So after a while, the answers are 15x cubed plus 21x squared minus 24x minus 12. X cubed minus 5x squared minus 25x plus 125. 12x cubed plus x squared minus 9x plus 2. 4x cubed plus 32x squared plus 80x plus 64. 12x cubed minus 42x squared plus 25x minus 6. 18x cubed minus 33x squared plus 20x minus 4. X cubed plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 8. This is 8x cubed minus 24x squared plus 24x minus 8. This is x to the power of 4, y to the power of 4, minus x to the power of 4. And finally, this is 181 minus x squared over 18 plus x to the power of 4 over 16. And finally, question 6. Yay! The volume of a cuboid can be found using the formula V equals LBH, where L is the length, B is the breadth, and H is the height. A cuboid has length 2x plus a half meters, breadth x minus 2 meters, and height x minus 2 meters. So write an expression for the volume of the cuboid in factor form. Expand the expression and determine the volume of the cuboid when x equals 2.2 meters. So the volume is just open bracket 2x plus 1/2 close bracket, open bracket x minus 2 close bracket, and make that squared because there's 2 x minus 2's. Expand the expression. The thing that I hate doing the most, especially if there's 3 of them. Well, anyways, the expanded expression is 2x cubed minus 7.5x squared plus 6x plus 2. Determine the volume of the cuboid when x equals 2.2 meters. Well, it's simple. So it's just 0.196 centimeters cubed. So, that's the end of this video. Thank you and goodbye.